Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My today's topic is Divisibility Test, Grade 6, Chapter number 2, Playing with Numbers. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel. I have divided this divisibility test in different parts by 2, 5 and 10, by 3 and 9, by 4 and 8, by 11, by 7 and by 6, 12, 14 and 15 because the divisibility test is same for the given number so that it is easier for the child to understand. So let us start with the first set of number, that is 2, 5 and 10. So here we check ones place digit. So if the ones place digit is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, then the number will be divisible by 2. So here you can see the first place is 2. It means the number is divisible by 2. 1, the unit place digit is 1, that is not 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this number is not divisible by 2. Now by 5, if the unit place digit is 0 and 5, the given number will be divisible by 5. So here you can see that your unit place number is not 5. So this number is not divisible by 5. Here your unit place digit is 5. So the number is divisible by 5. Now by 10, if the unit place digit is 0, then only the given number will be divisible by 10. So this number is not divisible by 10. This number is divisible by 10. We just check the unit place digit. Now the second set of number is 3 and 9. For 3 and 9 we find the sum of digits. If the sum of digit is divisible by 3, the given number will be divisible by 3. If the sum of digit is divisible by 9, the given number will be divisible by 9. So let us take the first example, 1, 2 and 6. So 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. The 9 is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3. Now 7 plus 1, 8. The number is not divisible by 3. So 107 is not divisible by 3. Now here also we will find sum of digits. So 2 plus 4 will give you 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 is divisible by 9. So the 243 is divisible by 9. 1 plus 2 will give you 3. 3 plus 5 will give you 8. 8 is not divisible by 9. So 125 is not divisible by 9. Now the next set of number is 4 and 8. For 4 and 8 we check the number formed by one sentence place digit. If one sentence place digit number is divisible by 4, then the given number will be divisible by 4. Similarly, ones, tens and hundred place digit, if the number is divisible by 8, the given number will be divisible by 8. So here you can see that 36, one sentence place digit 36. 36 is divisible by 4. 4 nines are 36. So this number is divisible by 4. Here one sentence place digit is 39. 39 is not divisible by 4. So given number is not divisible by 4. Now ones, tens and hundred, 864. This number is divisible by 8. So the given number is divisible by 8. 912, the number is not divisible by 8. So 78,912 is not divisible by 8. This is chapter 6, grade 6, chapter number 1, knowing our numbers. So these are the subtopics I have created video. This is grade 6, chapter number 2, whole numbers. These are the subtopics I have created the video. The part 1 link is given in the description and links for the other subtopics are mentioned in part 1. If you want, you can go to the link and just watch my videos. Now next one is by 11. By 11 we solve in 4 steps. So the number is given 2548023. Number is very big number. So we are supposed to find out sum of even place digits. I am not talking about the even number, sum of even place digit numbers. So even place digit number, so leave first number, take 3, then alternate number, then again alternate number, then again alternate number, add these 3, add these numbers, so you will get here 9. The step 2, sum of odd place digits. So odd places means wherever I have not done shading those numbers, the sum of those numbers is 20. The step 3, we need to find the difference of first two numbers. So 9 and 20, the difference is 11. And if the difference is 0 or multiples of 11 or divisible by 11, then only the given number is divisible by 11. So here 11 is divisible by 11, or we can say 11 is the multiple of 11, so that the given number is divisible by 11. By 7, here also we use 4 steps to find out. Actually divisibility test by 7 is little bit time taking. It's always better to divide by 7, but test I'm explaining you over here. So here we take the twice the unit place digit. So 4 twice the unit place digit, 2 4s are 8. Number formed by other digits. So leave this for which numbers are there, 680. So this is 680. Then find the difference, of first and second number. So 680 minus 8 will give you 672, and the difference should be 0 or multiple of 7 or divisible by 7. Then only the whole given number will be divisible by 7. So this number is divisible by 7. Therefore, this given number is divisible by 7. Now next is by 6, 12, 14, 15. All these are the composite numbers. So for these composite numbers, we try to find the co-prime factors. So co-prime factors of 6 is 2 and 3. So the number is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by 2 also and 3 also. You can see this example. Unit place digit is divisible by 2. Sum of digit 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6. So the number is divisible by 2 also and 3 also. Therefore, this is divisible by 6. Co-prime factors of 12 is 3 4s are 12. Don't take 6 2s are 12 because these are not co-prime. So 3 4s are 12. The number is divisible by 3 also and 4 also. Then only the number will be divisible by 12. 14 co-prime factors of 14 is 2 and 7. So the number is divisible by 2 also and 7 also. Then only the given number will be divisible by 12. Similarly, 15 co-prime factors of 15 are 3 multiplied by 5. So the number is divisible by 3 also and 5 also. Then only the number will be divisible by 15. So this concept you can use for another composite numbers. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video, and also to watch my next video.